If you're watching this, chances are you want to know how to use Etherscan. Well, you've come to the right place. This video will teach you everything you need to know to get started. In simple terms, Etherscan is an Ethereum blockchain explorer that allows you to view data on the Ethereum blockchain. But before showing you the common ways you can make use of Etherscan, let's just start by heading over to the homepage and getting to know what's what. Going onto Etherscan, the first thing you'll probably notice is a search bar. You can use this to look up specific wallets, smart contract addresses, transactions, and even specific tokens or NFTs. On the homepage, you can track the latest blocks as they are updated in real time on Ethereum. Clicking on a block ID goes more in depth into specific details about a block, like how many transactions are in that block, the validator that successfully added that block, how much they received as the reward, and the gas fee used to add the block, among other details. Or you can track the latest transactions that have gone through by clicking on the transaction hash or ID, which reveals more information like the status of the transaction, whether successful, failed, or pending, the block ID the transaction belongs to, the sender and recipient's wallet addresses, the type of tokens transacted, the transaction value in ETH and USD, the transaction fee, and the gas fee paid. You can also find out more information about a specific wallet by clicking on any wallet address you find. By clicking on the sender address of the most recent transaction, for example, I can see the current balance of the wallet's assets in ETH and USD, as well as all of the wallet's past transactions and fungible and non-fungible tokens. I can also click on the Analytics tab to see more information, such as the wallet's historical balance over time. Etherscan also provides information about smart contracts, where you can look up contract addresses in the same way you search for wallet addresses and see if they have been audited or verified. Though keep in mind that even if a smart contract checks out, there's still no guarantee that it's 100% safe. But Etherscan isn't just a blockchain explorer, it's also an analytics platform. Back on the homepage, you can see under the Resources tab to find various metrics on Ethereum, such as daily transactions or total unique addresses on Ethereum. They even have more tools under the More tab, which we won't go over for now. So how can you make the most of Etherscan? Probably the most common reason you'll find yourself on Etherscan is to look up a transaction you just made. Using the search bar, you can look up the transaction ID and check its status. You could also investigate what assets and how much a certain wallet holds by keying in a wallet address or even an ENS, like Vitalik.eth. In case you don't know what an ENS is, you can check out our video on that here. And if you just bought an NFT, you can now track it on Etherscan. Simply enter your wallet address into the search bar. Then go to the ERC721TXNS section and click View NFT. Or you could even look up an NFT collection, say Cool Cats, and see who the top holders are. Or check out all the individual NFTs in the collection and their owners through the Inventory tab. You can also see the top holders of a specific token in the same way. How about tracking gas fees? Under the More tab, you'll see Gas Tracker, which updates every few seconds. Here you can get an approximate idea of how much it could cost for a transaction to be confirmed, depending on how congested the network is. And there you have it. You now probably have a good idea of how to use Etherscan. A little fun fact about Etherscan is that it is one of the longest-running independent projects built around Ethereum, having launched in 2015, and is run by a team based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It goes without saying that the Ethereum blockchain is complex, so having a visual interface that is easy to navigate is pretty great for anyone who wants to learn about the Ethereum network. The only thing to do is to get on your computer and start querying Ethereum's public data for yourself. So start exploring and let us know in the comments what new use cases you find on Etherscan. Now that you know how to explore the Ethereum blockchain using Etherscan, we have the perfect video to show you how to explore other chains. Click right here to learn how to use the CoinGecko app to explore other chains and stay up to date in the crypto world. See ya!